All right, let's dive in. Today, we're going to do what I like to call a digital unboxing. We're taking a look at a product called Viral Prompt Pro. Its big claim is that it's the AI social media growth mega bundle. So our job is to pull this thing apart and see exactly what's inside. Let's get to it. You know that feeling, right? That moment when you're just staring at a blank screen, the cursor is blinking, and your brain just shuts off. You know you need to post something, but you've got nothing. This right here, this creator's block, is the exact pain point that a product like Viral Prompt Pro is built to solve. So what exactly is Viral Prompt Pro? I mean, the name itself tells you a lot, right? Viral, Prompt, and Pro. It's definitely positioning itself as a serious tool for using AI to create content that gets attention. But let's get a more official definition. Okay, so at its core, it's basically a massive collection of pre-written copy and paste text prompts. The whole idea is super simple. You find a prompt you like, you feed it to an AI, think ChatGPT or something similar, and it spits out a social media post, maybe a video script, or a caption for you. It's meant to be an instant cure for that blank screen paralysis. All right, now for the main event. Let's really open up this digital box and see what the core product actually is. The whole thing is built around 10 big, separate content libraries. So the first thing that jumps out at me is just how many different niches they're trying to cover. I mean, from beauty gurus and travel bloggers to finance experts and fitness coaches. Wow. The goal here is clearly to have a starting point for pretty much any kind of content creator out there. And for each one of those 10 categories, we're not just talking about a few dozen ideas. No. Each library comes packed with a whopping 200 individual prompts. But, how does that break down? What kinds of prompts are we talking about? And here's how they get to that 200 number. It's actually a mix of things. For each library, you get 90 standard prompts for general content, 100 prompts that are specifically for writing captions, and then you get these 10 master prompts. I'm guessing those are the really detailed, complex ones for creating your most important pieces of content. So, if you do the math, that's 10 libraries and 200 prompts in each one. That comes out to 2,000 prompts, and that's just in the main package alone. That is a huge library of content starters. But of course, it doesn't stop there. Like a lot of these digital products, this one is just layered with bonuses. They call them value multipliers, which is basically marketing speak for extra stuff they throw in to make the deal feel even bigger. And there it is, the classic, but wait, there's more moment. Honestly, the sheer number of bonuses they list is pretty wild. It's a strategy designed to make the whole offer feel almost too good to pass up. And yeah, it's a long list. You've got entire prompt packs for really specific tasks, like writing hooks or calls to action. There's even one for finding trending topics. Then things get a little different. The bundle shifts from just giving you prompts to giving you reusable formulas and templates, which is actually a pretty interesting change of pace. This table really breaks it all down perfectly. So you get another 1,000 prompts spread across these 5 bonus packs. But then it gets more strategic. You get one specific formula for writing hooks and a total of 35 master templates. And see, that's different. Those aren't just one-off ideas. They're foundational structures that you can use again and again. Okay, so we've unpacked thousands of prompts, a bunch of formulas, dozens of templates. It's a lot. The big question now is, how is a creator supposed to actually use all this stuff? Well, the intended workflow is designed to be really straightforward. And here it is, a simple 4-step process. Step 1, choose your niche. Say fitness. 2, select a prompt from the library. 3, generate the content with your AI tool. And 4, post it and engage with your audience. It's pitched as a simple, repeatable assembly line for making content. And this tagline really just wraps it all up, doesn't it? It sums up the entire promise. This isn't being sold as just a list of ideas. It's being sold as a complete system, a mega bundle for using the power and speed of AI to grow on social media. Which really leaves us with a much bigger question to think about. A bundle like this, it can definitely provide a massive number of starting points, right? It pretty much eliminates that blank page problem. But does outsourcing the idea generation part to AI truly solve the creative challenge? Or does it just create a new one, the challenge of being truly original in a sea of AI-generated content? That's something every single creator using these tools is going to have to figure out for themselves.